The rule of 3, bawat 10, may isang bibili. So, ibig sabihin po, meron kang 3 new sales. Okay? If you will be doing this in 1 week, may additional kang sales in 1 week. Okay? 1 week, additional 3 sales on top of your current activities na ginagawa. Okay, Gilibers, pag-usapan natin, paano ba tayo mag-increase ang clients natin? Sa lahat ng mga may business or nasa sales, maybe tanong mo rin to. Tinanong sa akin, sa aking mga business coaching, sasagutin natin, okay? At tanong mo to. Alright, so, paano nga ba mag-increase ang clients natin? Alam nyo, maraming ways. Bukod sa social media platforms natin, mag-ads tayo. Alam mo ba na pwede rin mag-increase ang iyong clients by using your existing clients? Yes. So, ang gawin mo lang, mag-dig deeper ka. Paano? Pag-usapan natin. Alright? So, maglista ka, you need at least 10 existing clients. Okay? So, kung eto ka, alright? So, this is you. So, magkaroon ka ng, gawa ka ng listahan ng yung mga kliyente. So, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Maglista ka ng 8. Okay? So, try to dig deeper. Ibig sabihin po, tingnan mo ang network ng iyong existing client. So, for example, ito si client A mo. So, tingnan mo yung circle niya, business circle niya, yung mga tao sa paligid niya. So, maglista ka at least kahit 3. Okay? So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3. Alright? So, you can ask help through this existing client para mag-set ka ng appointment or send proposal. Okay? So, you do the same for existing client B. Okay? So, 3. So, kung meron ka 10 existing clients, okay, na magbibigay sa'yo ng 3 recommendations. So, ilan po yon? 10 times 3 is 30. Okay? So, meron kang 30. The rule of 3, bawat 10, may isang bibili. So, ibig sabihin po, meron kang 3 new sales. Okay? If you will be doing this in 1 week, may additional kang sales in 1 week. Okay? 1 week, additional 3 sales on top of your current activities na ginagawa. Alright? So, kung magawa mo to in 1 month, so meron kang 12 additional sales in a month. That will give you more income. Alright? So, try to see yung existing clients mo and their network. Okay? This one will work. Alright? I assure you. Let's go. Let's go. And if you need coaching po sa lahat ng mga team leader or sales leader, so PM lang sa personal FB ni Doc para magkaroon tayo ng face-to-face coaching or online. Let's go. Let's go. Kape po tayo. Kape po. For watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and how to avail sa Kaiser. PM na sa personal FB ko po.